Tell me what you see.
You want to know about Rorschach? I'll tell you about Rorschach. What do you see? My face. Putting them on, I abandoned my disguise, became myself, free from fear, or weakness, or lust. Why does one death matter against so many? Because there is good and evil must be punished, even in the face of Armageddon.
Rorschach!
I will not compromise in this. Everyone's gonna know what you've done. People have to be told.
You know I can't let you do that.
Of course you must protect Bite's new utopia. What's one more body amongst foundations? Do it. Do it! I live my life free of compromise. Step into the shadow without complaint or regret. Rorschach, November 1st.